Light of all the visible frequencies mixed together produces white. White also results from the combination of only red, green, and blue light. Red and green light alone overlap to form yellow. Red and blue light alone produce the pinkish color called magenta. Green and blue light alone produce the greenish blue color called cyan. When red light, green light, and blue light of equal brightness are projected on a white screen, the overlapping areas appear different colors. The frequencies of white light can be divided into three regions: the lower frequency red end, the middle frequency green part, and the higher frequency blue end. Low and middle frequencies combine to form yellow to the human eye. The middle and high frequencies appear greenish blue, or cyan. The low and high frequencies appear bluish red, or magenta. The low frequency, middle frequency, and high frequency parts of white light appear red, green, and blue. To the human eye, red plus green equals yellow, red plus blue equals magenta, and green plus blue equals cyan. Red, green, and blue are called the additive primary colors. Color TV is based on the ability of the human eye to see combinations of three colors as a variety of different colors. The picture is made up of tiny pixels, each less than a millimeter across. When the screen is lit, some of the spots are red, some green, and some blue. At a distance, the mixtures of these colors provide a complete range of colors plus white. When two of the three additive primary colors are combined, red plus green equals yellow, red plus blue equals magenta, blue plus green equals cyan. When we add in the third color, we get white. Yellow plus blue equals white. Magenta plus green equals white. Cyan plus red equals white. Notice that in each case, red, green, and blue are all present. When two colors are added together to produce white, they are called complementary colors. Yellow and blue are complementary because yellow is the combination of red and green. Red, green, and blue light together appear white. By similar reasoning, we can see that magenta and green are complementary colors, as are cyan and red. Red and green paint do not combine to form yellow, as red and green light do. The mixing of paints and dyes is an entirely different process from the mixing of colored light. Paints and dyes contain particles of pigment that produce colors by absorbing light of certain frequencies and reflecting others. When paints or dyes are mixed, the mixture absorbs all the frequencies each paint or dye absorbs. Blue paint, for example, reflects mostly blue light, but also violet and green. It absorbs red, orange, and yellow light. Yellow paint reflects mostly yellow light, but also red, orange, and green. It absorbs blue and violet light. When blue and yellow paints are mixed, then between them they absorb all the colors except green. This process is called color mixing by subtraction. Mixing colored light is called color mixing by addition. When you cast lights on a stage, you use the rules of color addition, but when you mix paint, you use the rules of color subtraction. The three colors most useful in color mixing by subtraction are magenta, yellow, and cyan. Magenta, yellow, and cyan are called the subtractive primary colors, used in printing illustrations in full color. Color printing is done on a press that prints each page with 4 differently colored inks: magenta, yellow, cyan, and black. Each color of ink comes from a different plate which transfers the ink to the paper. The overlapping dots of 3 colors plus black give the appearance of many colors. Only 4 colors of ink are used to print color illustrations and photographs: magenta, yellow, cyan, and black.